Okay guys, welcome to day 4. Let's look at this picture and then pause it to talk about what you notice and what you wonder. 2 fifth graders built this fort out of 2 large boxes. What is the volume of their fort? So, first things first is make our knowns and unknowns. All right, so think about separating these 2 shapes. Look at this as shape 1 and look at this one as shape 2. Go ahead and pause the video and then do that. So, what I would do if I were you is, let's see. We see that here the length is 4, the height is 8. This entire line here is 6. This height is 3 and this width is 2. Now, let's start with the width. We know this width here. So obviously, if we look, this is probably parallel to this width here, or we can look up here and see that this line is parallel to this line, parallel to this line, parallel to this line, and parallel to this line. So the width of both shapes has to be then 2. Now, you may be saying, well, how can I find out the length if I divide the shape like I said? How can I find this part? Well, if this part is 4 and the entire thing is 6, we could simply subtract 6 minus 4 and get 2. So then that would mean this length is 2. So when you look up here for our knowns, we know that shape 1, the length is 4, as we see here. The height is 8 here, and then we decided that since these lines are parallel, the width is 2. And then for shape 2, length is 2, because we did 4 minus 6. The width is 2, and then the height is 3. So what we don't know is the volume of shape 1, the volume of shape 2, or the volume of the composite shape. So right now, why don't you go ahead and try to figure that out. Pause the video. Now what you should have got is this. So we know that volume equals length times width times height. 4 times 8 equals 32 times 2 equals 64. Shape 2, volume equals length times width times height. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 feet cubed, or cubic feet. So we add 64 and 12 and we get 76 cubic feet. Now let's look at the problem that you'll do on your own today. 2 fifth graders built this fort out of 2 large boxes. What is the volume of their fort? Go ahead and pause the video. Think about the strategies we've learned so far. Look at what lines are parallel to each other. That may help you, and good luck.